Hello everyone, welcome to my class. Today's topic is percentage. Percentage means per hundred. Symbol of percentage. 15% will be written as 15%. If Mr. Singh saves 20% of his income, it means he saves rupees 20 out of every 100 rupees he earns. After this, we discuss basic concept of percentage. Basic concept of percentage. In percentage, we discuss two topics: convert into percentage and remove percentage. These two topics are the base of percentage. So first we start convert into percentage. Rule 1. Convert a fraction into a percentage, multiply by the fraction by 100 and put the percentage sign. This is the rule 1 for convert into percentage. Simply you learn, whenever you have to convert into percentage, you have to multiply by 100 and put 100 percentage sign. Now one by one question will come, solve you. First step of the question will come. Question will come this way. Convert each of the following fraction into percentage. First question is 33 by 100. तो हम कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? पहला क्वेश्चन है 33 बाई 100. तो सबसे पहले हम 33 बाई 100 लिखेंगे. इसके बाद 100 से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 100 से क्यों मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? क्योंकि कन्वर्ट इनटू परसेंटेज देयर इज ए रूल. वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाई 100 and we have to put the percentage sign. Now we think how to cancel it. So it is very easy. 100 1 ja 100, 100 1 ja 100. Now it is cancelled. What is left? 33%. 33% is the answer. You must write percentage sign. B number. Same process, 3 by 4. Second question is 3 by 4. Same process we will do. Again 3 by 4 into 100 and put percentage sign. How do we cut it? See, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 2 is left here, 2 0 20, 4 5 ja 20. What is left? 3 and 25. 25 3 ja 75%. This is the answer. So what you can just see, question number 1, question number 2 I have solved. Same process you can do rest of the 3 sums. Question number C, same process. Again one question I am solving you. C, 7 by 25 equal to 7 by 25 into 100. Bracket close and put percentage sign. Read the table. 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. What is left? 7 and 4. 7 4 ja 28. So 28% is the answer. And other question is, say 11 by 40. D number, 11 by 40 equal to 11 by 40. We write first into 100, then percentage sign. Cut it. 0 0 will cancel. 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. What is left? 11 and 5. 11 5 ja 55. What is left here? 2. So 55 by 2%. You can change in mixed fraction or you can change into decimal also. So how do you change into fraction, mixed fraction? See, you divide by 2, 250, 2 to 55, 2 2 is 4, 1 is left here, then 15, 2 7 is 14, 1 is left. So we write 27 1 by 2% answer this way. Do you know why do we convert into mixed fraction? Because denominator is less than numerator. Then it is necessary to convert into mixed fraction. Okay. After that, second type of the question. Convert each of the following ratio into percentage. In this question, we have to convert ratio into percentage. Question number 1, you see, 14 is to 25. What is the first step? 14 by 25. After that, you write 14 by 25 into 100 and put percentage sign. Process is same. Here also we multiply by 100 because you have to convert into percentage. Now we think how to cancel it. 25 1 is 25, 25 4 is 100. After that, what is left? 14 and 4. 14 4 is 56. So 56%. Always put percentage sign because we have to convert into percentage. That is why. Next question. 5 is to 6. Next step, we convert into fraction first. 5 by 6. After that, we write 5 by 6 into 100. Bracket close and write percentage sign. Now we think how to cancel it. Which table it will divide 6 and 100? 2 3 is 6, 2 5 is 10 and 0. What is left? 5 and 50. You multiply. 5 5 is 25 and 1 0 is left here. 3. Denominator is 3. So again denominator is less than numerator. So we can convert into mixed fraction. Same process, you divide here 3 to 250. 3 8 is 24. 5 minus 4 1. This 0 will come down. 3 3 is 9. 10 minus 9 1. What is left? 83 1 by 3%. This is the answer. And I have solved A and B. Same process, you solve C and D. So process are same, question are similar. So I am leaving for you these two questions. Now third type question. Some question will given in decimal. Convert each of the following decimal into percentage. First question is 0.8. First question is 0.8. So how to solve? 0.8 into 100. Because this is the process, this is the rule. Whenever we have to convert into percentage, we have to multiply by 100. This is the rule. So we have multiply by 100. After that, we think how to multiply or cancel it. So for easy way, we do something, remove point and write 1. After point, how many digit we count it? After point 1 digit, so 1 0. Now we think how to cancel. This 0 and this 0 will cancel. What is left? 10 and 8. 10 8 is 80. So this is 80%. Second one, B, 0.36. Again, 0.36 into 100 and percentage sign. Again we will do remove point and write 1. After point how many digit? 1 and 2. 2 digits, so 2 0 will write. So now we think how to cancel. This 100 1 100, 100 1 100. Cancel. What is left? 36 and 1. 36 1 36. So 36% is the answer. Percentage sign you must write. C, 0.04. In this question also 0.04 into 100. Same process. Process are same. Now remove point, write 1. After point how many digit? 2 digit, 2 0. So 100 1 100, 100 1 100. What is left? 04 means only 4%. One question I am leaving you for you. You can do yourself. Same process. Now second type question. I told you in this percentage we will discuss basically two topics, convert into percentage. So convert into percentage, I solve three types of the question, and now I am going to discuss this remove percentage. So some question I will solve from this remove percentage. How to remove percentage? Which type of the question come? Now I am going to solve. See, to convert a percentage into fraction, there is one rule. To convert a percentage into a fraction, we divide it by 100 and remove sign percentage. So some question is here. First question. Question number 1. Convert a percentage into a fraction. Okay. Question will be like this: convert a percentage into a fraction. Question will given in percentage, like 35%. So 35 by 100. It is in the fraction. Now the question is, this is the answer or we will cancel. हम लोग सोचेंगे कि ये कैंसिल होता है तो हम लोग कैंसिल करेंगे, और नहीं तो ये यही आंसर हो जाएगा. तो हम क्या देखते हैं कि ये कैंसिल हो सकता है. कैसे कैंसिल होगा? 5 के टेबल से. तो 5 7 या 35, 5 2 या 10 एंड 0. तो 7/20 इज द आंसर. जब तक कैंसिल होगा करेंगे, लास्ट में वही आंसर हो जाता है. तो आप क्या देखें कि परसेंटेज साइन को हम कैसे फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करते हैं. बी नंबर क्वेश्चन. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन अगेन आई एम सॉल्विंग यू फॉर यू. बी 56% means 56 by 100. Remove percentage and divide by 100. We can see this question also divide by 2. This 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 5 is 10, 0. What is left? 28 by 50. फिर ये डिवाइड होगा किससे? 2 से. 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. अब क्या बचा 14/25। अब ये डिवाइड नहीं होगा और ना रिड्यूस होगा किसी से, तो ये आंसर हो गया। सी नंबर एक डेसिमल वाला बताते हैं 37.5%। तो 37.5 by 100, remove percentage sign and put 100. Now the question how to solve, remove point and put 0 as a denominator here. Next step 375 by 1000 we write clearly. Now we think किस टेबल से ये हम कैंसिल कर सकते हैं। 5 के टेबल से जाएगा दोनों, 5 2 जा 10 एंड 2 0, 5 7 जा 35, 2 इज लेफ्ट हियर, 2 5 25, 5 5 जा 25, अगेन 5 5 4 जा 20 0, 5 1 जा 5, 2 इज लेफ्ट 25, 5 5 जा 25, 5 3 जा 15, 5 8 जा 40, what is left 3/8 is the answer. Okay, so one question more I am going to solve you. D 140%. This is also same 140 by 100. Cut it 0 0, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14 means 7/5. This is the answer. Or you can change into mixed fraction, 5 1 ja 5, 2/5, because this is the rule, when denominator is less than numerator, so we convert into mixed fraction. So this is the answer. After that, okay, in this class I told you 2 topic we will discuss, and 2 topic is clear, convert into percentage and remove percentage. अब अगले वीडियो में वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हम बताएंगे। यदि कोई डाउट हो तो आप हमारे कमेंट में जा कर के हमें कमेंट करिए, फिर हम उस टाइप के क्वेश्चन को फिर बताएंगे। थैंक यू।